Hi, it's Debbie Sigorin from Coldwell Banker Realty, and I am in Baker Ranch, and I'm standing outside 38 Savannah, an incredible two-bedroom home which has a loft, a two-car garage which is attached, and I can't wait to show you the inside. It's awesome. Great light and bright open floor plan. Check out the stunning waterproof laminate flooring, which is throughout the downstairs. Quartz countertops with a coordinating subway tile backsplash, gleaming stainless steel appliances, and a large island with custom pendant lighting. And the chef and you will love the 6-burner gas stove. The kitchen looks onto the family room with its wall of windows. And looking onto the dining room and kitchen with its amazing island, let's head upstairs. Now we are upstairs and looking at the loft that is currently being used as both an office and cozy place to watch TV. Note the beautifully functional built-ins. The loft area could easily be converted to a third bedroom, a game room, an exercise room, and the laundry room is able to accommodate a side-by-side washer and dryer. The spacious secondary bedroom, like the master bedroom, has organizers in the closet. And here is the secondary bedroom's bathroom. Let's head off to the master bedroom on the other side of the loft area. You will love the spacious master bedroom. Great place to start the day in this big walk-in shower with its double shower heads, double vanities, and a lovely walk-in closet which is able to accommodate his and her wardrobe. Direct access to car garage with custom overhead hanging racks for storage. Baker Ranch offers incredible resort-like amenities. This is a great neighborhood to be part of. Contact me with any questions or to set up a time to view the property.